37. In order to use an excerpt from a movie in a new television show, the television producer must pay the director of the movie $790 for the first 2 minutes of the excerpt. That's expensive. And $130 per minute after that. Here's a key word, per. $130 per minute. Anytime we see that word per, it's kind of cluing us in that that's a rate or our slope. Our slope's going to be 130. The other key piece of information that we want to pull out, it's $790 for 2 minutes. If you think about a graph, we would look at, okay, how much does it cost based on how many minutes? 2 minutes cost $790. They gave us a point. Part A, write an equation that gives the total cost of using the excerpt as a function of the length in minutes of the excerpt. Okay, so let's just follow our pattern. Y minus our y coordinate equals slope times x minus the x coordinate. Y minus the y coordinate of the point they gave us was 790. The slope was 130. X minus the x coordinate was 2. Now we don't like to leave real world situations in point slope form. We want to convert them to slope intercept form. So it just requires 2 steps. The first step would be to distribute, so we get 130x. 130 times negative 2 is negative 260. And the second step would just, to get y by itself, would be to add 790. So when you do that, now you've got the equation in slope intercept form. Y equals 130x, negative 260 plus 790, or another way of thinking about that, 790 minus 260. I think it ends up being plus 530. So there's part A. We came up with our equation. Part B, use the equation to find the total cost of an excerpt that is 8 minutes long. So we'll just substitute 8 in for x, because that represented number of minutes. 130 times 8 plus 530. What's that going to be? 800 plus another 200, 1,040 plus 530. I think we end up getting $1,570 would be our answer for part B.